Today I will take you to Jinhua Jinhao. Take a look at our decorative films, products and applications. Let's take a look again. Yugos love white. The effect of a background wall. This is our cottating. Decoration effect of a corridor. Let's take a look at it. This is a conference hall. Our decorative film, Shuyan yarn, paired with a Louis King. Take a look at our cloakroom. This is a door with brushed metal decoration. This is a orange, the effect of adding light strips. This is a kitchen, our fish belly white. This is one of our restaurants, use skin like single color. This is a children's room. The one used inside is our single color skin Philippine series. This is one of our bedrooms. It uses cloth pattern and grill. This is black mirror and silver mirror, the effect of matching with light strips. This is the entrance, an effect of our Yugoslav white plus Vatican gold.